You go to bed early. You sleep 8 hours. You still wake up exhausted. Here's why. You've done everything the experts say. No screens before bed, early bedtime, 8 full hours, a consistent schedule. But mornings are still brutal. The alarm goes off and you feel like you haven't slept at all. You hit snooze 3, 4, 5 times. You drag yourself out of bed, need coffee just to function. Wonder why sleep isn't working for you. Meanwhile, other people sleep 6 hours and bounce out of bed. What's wrong with you? Here's what I need you to understand. Nothing is wrong with you. The problem isn't how much you sleep. It's what happens while you sleep. Let me show you what's supposed to happen inside your body while you sleep. Because if the cellular work doesn't get done, you can log 8 hours and still wake up tired. Sleep isn't just rest, it's active repair time. Your body is supposed to restore damaged tissues, clear toxins, and recharge your cellular batteries. Inside each cell, mitochondria make ATP, the energy your brain and muscles use. At night, they tune up, replace parts, and refuel. Sleep increases DNA repair and antioxidant defenses so yesterday's stress doesn't become today's fatigue. If inflammation runs high, blood sugar swings, or your circadian rhythm is off, those repairs stall. You sleep, but you don't restore. Elevated evening cortisol blocks deep sleep stages, cutting into the time your cells need to rebuild. Alcohol and heavy late meals increase overnight wake-ups and oxidative stress inside mitochondria. And if you lack raw materials, minerals, amino acids, coenzymes, cells can't finish the job no matter how early you sleep. This is the mismatch. Sleep duration is not the same as sleep quality. Cellular quality is what determines how you feel at 7 a.m. When you hit enough deep and REM sleep, mitochondria recharge, brain waste clears, and hormones reset. Aligned light exposure and mealtimes cue your cellular clocks, telling your body when to repair and when to energize. 3 common blockers: evening stress, metabolic swings, and micronutrient gaps. So how do you help your cells do the work while you sleep? Start with habits, then support materials. Magnesium glycinate helps relax the nervous system and supports deep sleep architecture. Glycine can improve sleep quality and next-day alertness by supporting core temperature drop. CoQ10 and a balanced B complex provide cofactors for mitochondrial energy production. Omega-3s and polyphenols help tame inflammation and oxidative stress that disrupt cellular repair. Adequate electrolytes and balanced early dinners steady blood sugar overnight. I want to be upfront with you. The link in the description is an affiliate link. I may earn a small commission if you try it. This comes at no extra cost to you. I only share what I genuinely believe can help. Stack the basics: morning sunlight, light and early dinners, a 60-minute wind down, and a consistent wake time. Medical disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your sleep, diet, supplements, or medications. Support your cells at night, and mornings start to feel human again. Sleep for repair, wake restored.